morning, guys. Today we'll resume our practice of the Rising Stars Mathematics for Class 5 workbook exercise 1D, and I'll start off with the question number 2, part B, because I left it over, part B and C. So it says what is the largest fraction, and part C says what is the smallest fraction. So you can see that the largest fraction, if in counter of 30, you can see it's 25 by 30 made by 5 by 6. So if the fractions, so I'll tell you another rule. If the denominators are same, always look the larger numerator. What? Which is large? This, because the denominators are same, so you have to see the larger numerator. In this case, the numerators are same, so you have to see the smallest denominator. That means this would be the bigger one. So in this case, you can see that the denominators are same because we have written all the fractions by 30 with the denominator of 30. So the number with the most highest number over 30, which is 25, made by the fraction 5 over 6, equivalent fraction of 5 over 6, you can also say that, is this. So this is the largest. Then it's asked the smallest. So the smallest comes with 1 by 10. 1 by 10, which is equal to how much? 3 over 30. So that's a very simple concept. We have done all the whole page number 15. So now we will continue on with the next page. So do you know that maths is never a hard subject? You like science, but maths is the world's most easiest subject. While in class 5 it's more easier than one in class 6 or 7. Because it's only about concepts. But the people who just memorize everything cannot do that because they don't have the power. So develop the power from here. Don't go the wrong. Okay, so the question number 3 is complete these equivalent fractions. So I'll do only a couple of parts and then the rest you can do it by yourself because it's a very easy concept. Okay, I'll say again. So the first A part is 2 by 9 and dash by 18. 2 by 9 and dash by 18. What is the answer? So first you have to check what is available with you. There are some things to memorize. Not all things are about concepts. Some things to memorize. That the tables, the concepts you have to memorize. You don't have to memorize each and every question. So in this you can see that if 18 divided by 18 can be converted to 9 by dividing it by 2, that means 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. So when you have to multiply with the denominator to make an equivalent fraction, you have to this is a question to answer the comments. So and I may answer it at the end of the video. So you have to do something like this and do this. So this would be 4 by 8. Or I don't need to ask you the comments because you can see in the video. So you have to multiply the same with the numerator. So in this way, it's 4 by 8. So the A part is 4 by 18. What is the B part? The question is 4 by 5, 8 by unknown. So box by so in this there was no numerator. In this there is no denominator. Remember, numerator and denominator are completely opposite. Don't mix them up. So you multiply 4 with 2, it becomes 8. You multiply 5 with 2 also, because you have to multiply the whole fraction with the same number. So it becomes 10. And this is how you will do the rest of the whole. Then it says complete these equivalent grid. So I'll just make the whole grid. I still remember the moment I was in class 5 and I was doing this workbook. We didn't have this workbook was a bit different. Well, it was not SRM updated, so it didn't have so much small tables. It had pretty big tables, but this is even better. Though you have to write a bit small. So the first column has a fraction 1 by 10, 2 by 10, and 9 by 10. Where the difference of two boxes. So I do 1 by 10. 2 by 10. 9 by 10. Fine. Or I'll just draw the table in there. So I'll just pause the video, and after drawing, I'll start the video. So please don't panic that he drew in a second and like that. So yes, this is a scale. I'm saying hi to you guys, but unluckily I couldn't draw the table, so throw it away and just go with the numbers. So in this, they are given the fractions, percentages, and decimals. So we have to first check what to do. But so in this, you have to just hurry up in doing, like it says 1 by 10. 1 by 10. What is the percentage and what is the decimal of this number? So please check that our percentage is always by 100. So to make this by 100, we have to multiply it with 10. Multiply it with 10. So percent means 100. So this thing that has divided by 100. And this means 10%. And it will be 0.1. You can simply tell 1 by 10. So you got the 0 and you move the decimal point over here. It will be 0.1. So it's simple. And the second is 30%. So I'm doing a bit fast because the video is getting a bit longer. So 30%. So this time they have given a fraction, but not this and this. So percent means it will be 30 by 100, in which you can cut the zeros, and then it's 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. Then it is 0.5. So 0.5. That means you again multiply it with 10, which makes 5 over 10. If you divide it, it will be 1 over 10, 1 over 2. And then 1 over 2, and it is 50%. As you can see, you can multiply it with 100, 50%. So that's a very simple concept. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, and thanks for watching the video.